Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been here already, you know I'm Alexa, and if you haven't and you're new, welcome. So today I'm just gonna be doing a quick unboxing of Uncle Funky's daughter products. So all the products were 30% off, and I found a code for 15% off, and that was able to be added to the products because when they had the sale, they said once you add the product that you want to your cart, it automatically subtracts the 30% off. So I was like, oh, so you don't have to use a promo code. So I started Googling and searching up promo codes, and I found a couple and I put them all in and I got one to work. So I was able to add that on top of their sale that they were having already. So I was souped. You already know I had to purchase a couple of things. Basically, all the products that I don't have from their line, I purchased. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that. I purchased at the Hue Affair some of their products, and that was, I believe, 4 of them, and it was 2 for $20. Curly Magic Gel that everybody raves about, Heal and Renew Deep Conditioner, Squeaky Clean, which is like a deep cleansing shampoo, and the conditioner, which was Funky, I forgot what it is. If you want to see the products that I had previously, you can check out my Hue Affair video. If you are interested, please keep watching. We are going to unbox all the products that I bought from Uncle Funky's daughter. Here is the box. I already opened it up. Here we go. Are you excited? Come on. First up is the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream for kinky and curly textures. The Extra Butter smells really good. It smells fresh. It looks creamy. This is Midnight Train. This is a leave-in conditioner. Good hair conditioning styling cream. I am definitely going to be using this as a base and then a gel on top of it most likely. Next up, we have Thirsty Curls. This is a leave-in curl revitalizer. Rich and Funky is a moisturizing cleanser. Next up is Shining Star. This is a hair and scalp elixir. It is fragrance free, it says. Next is Bye Bye Build Up. This is a cleansing conditioner, so basically like a co-wash. Defunk. This product is a hair refresher tonic for locks, natural and protective styles. Next up is Glossy. This is a finishing hair polish. Fights frizz, hydrates, and provides a visible shine. Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up. Did I get a free? Oh, I'm slow. Damn, I was about to be souped. I just played y'all and I played myself. I thought this was 32 and I thought they looked small for 32 ounces. They're 18 fluid ounces. So they sent me 2 to make up for the liter size because the Curly Magic that I ordered was a 32 ounce. So I got 2 18 fluid ounces to make up for it. I guess you get 36. You get a booklet. This I love getting so that you can kind of go more in depth. You can look at pictures, what's your curl type, and then when you open it up, it lets you know what's compatible with all of their products. I love having these booklets. I always keep them handy when I start to use products just so I can quickly research kind of in my own way with this and then also look up reviews. Next up is Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. I did buy another Heal and Renew just because when I have a feeling that I'm gonna like it, so I bought an extra. And if I don't like it, because I told you guys I bought one from the Hue Affair, if I don't end up liking that one, this will be thrown in a giveaway. Once I decide when I'm doing that and what it's gonna be for. All right, so I think that is all. My box is officially empty. It's come to an end. I'm so sad. I just love unboxing shit. 12 things. So let's see. 1, 2. Oh my god. 4. So we get a letter. Dear valued Funky Junkie, thank you for your order of our popular Curly Magic 32 ounce. We are honored that you have selected Uncle Funky daughters for your beauty needs. So many Funky Junkies loved our good funky stuff during our recent anniversary sale that we have depleted our inventory of Curly Magic 32 ounces. This item is completing production, but we didn't want to delay the shipment of your order, so today is your lucky day. In lieu of the 32 ounce bottle, we are sending you 2 bottles of the Curly Magic 18 ounces for a total of 36 ounces. We hope this extra love will help to compensate for the inconvenience we have caused. Thank you for your understanding and being such a valuable part of the Funky Junkie family. We are so blessed to partner with you as you present who you are to the world naturally. Have a wonderfully blessed day, and we look forward to serving your needs in the future. Forever Funky, Renee Rorton, Morris President. It's not that big of a deal to me, and honestly, now I can have another one separate if I want to do a giveaway with it. And it's a bigger size than my other one. I think my other one is only 12 ounces. Thank you so much, Uncle Funky's daughter. That was a really nice note to have and to let us know why you sent certain things. Except that I should have read the note before I opened the packaging, so it should have been on top, because I was super like, oh snap, I got an extra one. All right, the camera died, but I am back. We are live. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading that next video. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me today. If you have used Uncle Funky's daughter products, please let me know what you think of them. I want to show you guys all these products and really get into reviewing them. So please bear with me while I have these braids in. I will be dropping a couple other videos unboxing by that time that I'm done with all these unboxings. I will have plenty of products to show you guys. I will also be doing a product stash video. If you are all for that, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.